Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are talking about something very simple. You know that sometimes it can be very annoying when you buy credit to bundle. Let's say you want to buy a mashup or some data, and after you enter the code they tell you do not have enough balance. You know you just bought 10 Ghana cedi credit, but they are telling you don't have enough balance. Now, like I said, this is very annoying, but then there's a simple solution to it, and we are going to explain it in this video. I'm going to use Vodafone and MTN as an example. In later video, if you want me to do the other ones, you let me know. So for Vodafone, you just enter *463 and hash, as you see, *463 hash, and you press enter. So wait for it to come, and okay, I'm gonna have to start again. *463 hash, or pound as some people say it, and I choose my Vodafone. Okay, so you see that I have my subscriptions, so I select my subscriptions, and I go, there's something here. So my subscription is in Brainwave. Now I have no idea what this is. I'm pretty sure I did not subscribe to Brainwave, and I don't know what it's about, but I have subscribed. Later on I'll explain how this comes to be at the end of the video, but I'm just going to click on one, select one, and that's it. I'll wait a little and get the feedback. Now whilst we wait, I dig a little digging into why sometimes our phones subscribe. Sometimes there's a color tune. Somebody will call you and there's a color tune that you know very well you didn't subscribe, but you are paying for it, right? Even sometimes you know you don't like the music. Okay, so it's here. They say so there is check price and then unsubscribe. So I choose to unsubscribe. And now, are you sure you want to unsubscribe from Brainwave? Yes, I'm pretty sure I want to. So I press 1 and that's it. Yeah, so you have successfully unsubscribed from Brainwave. That's it. So every now and then you have to check and do this if there is something you cancel. Otherwise you'll be charged small, and it affects you a lot. And keep in mind that sometimes we blame the telecom service providers, MTN and Vodafone, for doing this, but actually there's a very interesting reason why this happens, and I did a lot of digging into it. At the end of this video I'll explain how that happens, and probably you'll be able to avoid it altogether. Now let's move on to MTN. With MTN you're going to use *175 hash to enter it, wait, and the first option is my subscriptions. So I'll go straight there, select 1, and here they say you have no subscriptions. So that's it, I'm good to go. If there are some subscriptions, you follow the procedure in the first part and you unsubscribe. So that's the end of the video. And concerning why this subscription keep reappearing, what I found is that some mobile phone brands have secret applications that solicit some of these subscriptions without our consent. I'm not going to mention any brand, but if your phone has been doing that, you should check. In fact, I uncovered a lot concerning one particular mobile phone brand that I will not mention here. And just be careful with your phone. If you find that these things keep repeating itself, then you suspect that your phone is either you continue using it, but periodically check, or you stop using it.